Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Glenvill Developments unveils YarraBend's most opulent penthouses. Glenvill Developments Signature Club Penthouses at YarraBend combine sculptural design and sweeping views with private lifestyle club access, all just 6.5 kilometers from Melbourne's CBD. Rising above Alphington's leafy streets and position on the banks of the Yarra River, a limited collection of penthouses at the YarraBend precinct presents Glenvill Developments' most elevated residential offering to date. Designed in collaboration with Fraser Partners, the Signature Club penthouses are shaped by a philosophy of serenity, material richness, and spatial generosity, anchored in a location that brings nature, city, and amenity to the doorstep.